When Kim is left to his own devices, he does some, well, just exceptionally stupid shit. And that's not to say he usually lives intelligently, as evidenced by his life in general. And the other day when I watched him drive his car directly into a wall, get out, then strike up a conversation with multiple children as his car rolled backwards into another wall. But for some reason, when he's alone, everything becomes the world, according to Kib. And that's just not a world I want to live in. Unfortunately, I have to live in it, and after James and I kind of accidentally left Kib behind when we went to Australia, he's had some lingering symptoms of PTSD. Anytime James and I have to leave him alone in the office, he experiences symptoms such as extreme clinginess, loss of bladder control, too much bladder control, and accelerated shedding. All three of us experience some mild forms of the aforementioned problems, so it's not too worrisome for us. The thing that's really getting to me is this. This stupid idea Kib got into his head to save the channel by parodying other YouTube shows. I thought we were over these videos after James and I arrived back to LA, but a month later, he still brings hours and hours of footage to me every single morning, and not on an SD card either. He somehow comes in every day with a handful of grubby, ruined film that he blackmails me into digitizing, but I feel strangely obligated to let him have just one more parody video. Mostly out of the hope that it will be cathartic for him, and maybe he'll stop fucking bothering me with this shit.
Myself.
Oh! Oh! What? No.
Coach's house.
No, yeah, I knew this would happen. Guys, here, I
fell on my vape. I fell on my vape. It's up my arse.
Right.
My balls are popping.
I need to trim my toenails.
It's a
Oh fuck!
No,
James, sorry, I think I'm stepping on
no,
you.
Steve. It already touched my cheek.